Dear children, please listen to our textbook. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are buttons on a computer keyboard that are programmed to move the cursor in a specified direction. Okay, we are using the four arrow keys to move our cursor on the screen in the correct direction. That if we want to type here, we are moving the arrow keys upward. If we want to type in the bottom of the page, we are moving the cursor to the downwards, and if we want to type on the right side, we are moving the cursor to the right, and also we are moving to the cursor to the left if we want to type in the left side. For moving the cursor to the top, bottom, right and the left side, we are using the arrow keys. You can see these four arrow keys on the keyboard. Okay, arrow keys are located at the bottom of the keyboard to the left side of the numeric keypad. Please listen to this keyboard. You can see the arrow keys here. That is up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and the left arrow. And the textbook, and in your textbook in the previous page, you can see the arrow keys like this. That is up arrow, down arrow, right and the left. And also you can see the arrow keys here, and we are using the arrow keys from this numeric keypad. Right, left, top and the bottom. Okay, we are using this arrow keys at the time of playing games also. Okay, I know you are always using these arrow keys for moving the cursor items while playing the games. Okay, listen to the next sentence. Arrow keys are mainly four keys that we already discussed that. The left arrow, that is the back arrow, up arrow, down arrow and the right arrow or forward arrow. Left arrow we called it as back arrow, and right arrow we call it as forward arrow. Which is the left arrow here? Yes, this is the left arrow, that is the backward arrow. Okay, to the back side. And the right arrow, it is the forward arrow, to move forward. To move backward we use left arrow, and to move forward we use right arrow. Please read it. Arrow keys. Arrow keys are buttons on a computer keyboard that are programmed to move the cursor in a specified direction. Arrow keys are located at the bottom of the keyboard to the left side of the numeric keypad. Arrow keys are mainly four keys: the left arrow, back arrow, up arrow, down arrow and the right arrow, forward arrow. Okay, now let us discuss about backspace key. This is our backspace key. We already studied that left arrow as back arrow. On the same way, we can see this arrow mark, the sign on the backspace key also to the back. Okay, backspace key is used to erase the previously typed letter. That is, while we are typing, if we are making any mistakes, we can erase the mistake by using the backspace key. Okay, if we want to erase and type, we are always using backspace key. Okay, so backspace key we can say it as an eraser in the computer keyboard. So yeah, when you type the letters, at that time you have mistakes, you can use this backspace key. Is it clear? So read it. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase the previously typed letters, numbers, symbols, any anything you can erase by using the backspace key. Now listen to the delete key. We already know the word delete to remove the item. Okay, it means to remove an item. Delete key is used to remove characters and other objects. Characters means letters, symbols, pictures, symbols, that is etc. So it is used to remove the characters and other objects. Other objects includes any files, folders or images we can delete by using the delete key. Okay, this is our delete key. The delete key generally removes the character immediately under the cursor or the highlighted text or object. That means we can delete the text from the left to the right position while typing using the delete key. And also we have to remove the items like the files or folders. When you highlighted it, we can remove the object by pressing the delete button. Okay, so delete key and also the backspace key help us to remove the unwanted things from our computer. Please read it. Delete key. Delete key is used to remove characters and other objects. The delete key generally removes the character immediately under the cursor or the highlighted text or object. Okay, is it clear? Now, enter key. Enter key. The enter key of a keyboard is used to return a cursor to the next line or execute a command or operation. This is the enter key to reach on the next line. Look here, if we are typing the sentence in the first line, after finishing the first line, we want to type in the second line. At that time, we are pressing the enter key and typing in the next line. While pressing the enter key, our cursor reaches on the next line and we are typing in the next line. Okay, to type in the next line, we are using the enter key. That is, if you want to type your name in the first line and your school name in the second line and your place in the third line and also your phone number in the fourth line, you can use this enter keys each time. Okay, so moreover that enter key also executes a program or a file in our computer. That means to open a program, to run a program, we are using the enter keys in our computer. So enter keys help us to type in the next line and also help us to open or execute a program in our computer. Is it clear? Okay, please read it. Enter key. The enter key of a keyboard is used to return a cursor to the next line or execute a command or operation. Okay, please read this portion today itself at least 5 times and try to catch it or understand it very well and study it well. And also, please remember to study the previous class. Okay, read your textbook very well and do your lessons as neat and as studied as best. Okay, thank you.